History of Java.EE. Java.EE is the abbreviation of Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Formerly, the name was Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition, or J2EE. Java.EE was introduced in 1998. It provides a single standard for developing the enterprise applications. Before stepping into Java.EE, let's discuss its history. Initially, Java came into the market with full power in 1995. Until now, Java's platform-independent feature makes it the most successful language to use on web applications. As the technology grows, the standard and the APIs become very complex and larger. The developers also feel very difficult to work with those APIs during the application development. As a result, the Java was split into 3 divisions according to the development. Here they are: Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, Java 2 Micro Edition. This is the diagrammatic representation of 3 kinds of Java. Here, the Micro Edition is mainly used in microdevices like mobile phones, memory cards, set-top boxes, etc. The Standard Edition is really just the core Java used for desktop and workgroup server environments. Enterprise Edition is used for developing and deploying enterprise-quality applications, which are typically transactional, reliable, and secure. Java.EE takes full power of Java.SE. The various Java technologies that we were currently used to develop the web applications and business applications could be combined with the middleware APIs and created a convenient package for developers to develop the applications. As a result of this repackaging, J2EE was released with full power in December 1999. I hope you are clear with the background information on Java.EE. Now let's look at the various versions released by Sun Microsystems till this date. Initially, the first version of J2EE was released in 1998. Here are the various versions of Java.EE and when they were released. J2EE version 1.1, J2EE version 1.2, December 12, 1999. J2EE version 1.3 on September 24, 2001. J2EE version 1.4 on November 11, 2003. Java.EE version 5 on May 11, 2006. Java.EE version 6 to be released in 2008. Among these various versions, the most common version used among the developers is J2EE 1.4. But nowadays, they are all migrating to Java.EE 5 to upgrade their application with new features. Soon, it will become the most common version among industries. So we can start learning Java.EE 5. Actually, Sun Microsystems were planning to release the next version of Java.EE 6 in the middle of 2008. Well, let's move on to discuss about what Java.EE contains. Remember that the names of the editions of Java Platform have been changed: Java Platform Standard Edition, Java SE, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java.EE, and Java Platform Micro Edition, Java ME. What is Java.EE? Java.EE defines an industry standard for developing and deploying enterprise applications. Using Java.EE, we can develop platform-independent enterprise applications. And using Java.EE components, we can build effective web applications related to designing of web pages and business applications, such as ATM transactions and banking applications. Java.EE provides various APIs. Server.The can have various technologies which are grouped according to its functions, like this: service technologies, communication technologies. For example, JNDI provides naming and directory service to locate the resources. JMS enables us to message between the components. In the upcoming sessions, we will discuss these things in detail. Now, let's look at the need of learning Java.EE.